Okay, for those of you who've been following our adventures, this weekend we have been insulating our mother-in-law suite in the garage. So we're pretty excited about what we've accomplished. When we moved in here, they had insulation along this kitchen wall, but it was the wrong insulation. It was like R13 and the minimum is R15. So we had to tear it all down, throw it all away, and put up the new stuff that was to code. And this is over the stairs. Jim jury-rigged a little scaffold and was able to get that done this morning. And come over here to our little storage closet. We've got that all insulated. And we have our windows here. We had to do a little manipulation and cutting and chopping to get all the insulation done under the windows. And we also had some parts over top of the windows that we had to get insulated. And you're looking through the wall here into the bedroom of the mother-in-law suite. Come down this little hallway, and so you'll see that's all beautifully insulated, if I say so myself. And this is the walk-in closet to the master bedroom in the mother-in-law suite. I guess it's the master bedroom because it's the only one here. And then come down this hallway, and we were able to get the bathroom wall insulated. So the only thing keeping us from getting this inspected right now for the next phase is we have to get this exhaust fan hooked up to the outside of the house. So that's the only thing holding us back from getting this inspection done for the mother-in-law suite. But we're real excited. It's just probably about 6 hours worth of work with us teaming up together. And I think we did a pretty darn good job, even all around the nooks and crannies.